the Urus Performante are fun to drive and performance. So we have worked on both pillars in order to improve compared to the previous Urus the characteristic of the car.
所以进入到 Urus Performante， 就像刚刚 Francesco 所说的，我们最两大的核心关键就是我们讲的性能表现以及驾驶乐趣。所以 Lamborghini 透过它的供应，从各方的方式来去提升它这两个 pillar 的一个性能表现。
And we go in details to see how we have achieved this result. So in terms of performance, the four main pillars where we focus in order to improve the characteristic of the car is body weight reduction. So we work very hard in order to reduce the body weight of the car compared to the Urus. So 47 kilos is the body weight reduction that is allowing the car to be, of course, more agile. And to achieve this result, we have introduced several components in carbon fiber on the exterior and on the interior. Together also with the interior, we have introduced intensively the usage of Alcantara.
所以在性能表现上，我们又有着四大关键的提升。那其中之一就是在轻量化。轻量化上 ，Urus Performante 大量的使用非常多 carbon fiber 碳纤维的材料科技，在它的外观的组件上。同时在内装上，它也大量的使用麂皮 Alcantara 的材质，提供一个更轻的一个内装的设计。
Reducing the body weight of the car and improving the output of our engine increases significantly the power ratio. We achieve a incredible result with 3.2 kilos, and also the other very important pillar for the Urus Performante is the increase of the downforce. So we have with the Urus Performante plus 38% of downforce thanks to the rear spoiler mainly, and engaging sound. We have improved the output of our engine, and therefore the engine melody that is coming from this beauty is also outstanding.
所以当然在大量的减重之下 ，Lamborghini 在 Urus Performante 又提升了它的性能，所以它在马力重量比上达到了3.2公斤由1匹马力所推动的一个极致的性能表现。同时 ，Lambo 也透过全新的尾翼设计，大幅增加了38% 的车尾下压力，再次将它的空气力学再度的提升。那当然，感谢这个提升的引擎动力以及新的排气管设计 ，Lamborghini 在 Urus Performante 能够提供更加遮人心弦的引擎声浪。
In terms of dynamics, we have revised also the chassis. So we have reviewed the chassis in order to improve also the driving emotion and performance of the car. So we have introduced a lighter titanium exhaust, but very important is a stiffer front and rear steel springs that allow the car to reduce the height by 20 millimeters. And in the same time, we have developed and we have enlarged also the base of the rear track on the front, on the rear, so making the car larger by 16 millimeters. So combining these two aspects allow, in terms of performance, on the sport mode to have a more stable car, and also on a daily, let's say, strada mode to have a more agile cars in the turn.
所以在全新的底盘科技下 ，Lamborghini 也用尽它的科技来做对 Urus Performante 做一个性能上的提升。那最关键的就是它这一次在 Urus Performante 引入了全新钢制的弹簧。它除了能够帮助车子在车高上减少了2公分以外，同时 Lambo 也针对 Performante 提升了它的前后轮的轮距，增加了16个 millimeter， 能够帮助车子在行进间有了更稳定的一个性能表现。那一切的这些底盘科技，再加上我们刚刚前面所说的悬吊的调整，都帮助 Urus， 不管你是在运动 sport 模式下的时候呢，有着更加良好 直接的驾驶回馈，同时也能够帮助你在 Strada 街道模式下，能够有着更加灵活轻盈的车身操控。
We have in Lamborghini, we love to give also the possibility to our customer to customize the driving mood. So we introduce with the Urus Performante a new additional driving mood compared to the existing Strada, Sport and Corsa mood. We have introduced the Rally, a driving mood that allow the customer to drive the car in any road condition.
当然 ，Lamborghini 希望提供各式各样客制化的模式，提供给他的车主。所以在除了既有的街道 Strada、Sport 运动以及 Corsa 赛道模式之下 ，Lamborghini 这次也针对 Urus Performante 新增了 Rally 拉力越野模式，让他的车主可以在任何的地形上驾驭这台 Urus Performante。
Powertrain also has been improved. We have achieved with the Urus Performante 666 horsepower, and this also with the Urus Performante we managed also to improve, let's say, the sound, to increase the sound melody of this beautiful car compared to the current Urus.
那当然，在动力系统上 ，Lamborghini 也提升了 Urus Performante 的性能表现，到达666匹的马力。以及呢 ，Lamborghini 在 Performante 上一样，就像刚刚前面所提到的。提升它的排气系统，帮助这一台 Performante 能够提供更加美妙动人的引擎声浪。
In terms of aerodynamics, the car has been also our factory in Lamborghini. We work very hard in order to improve the aerodynamics, and we have introduced the main, I would say, highlight is the rear spoiler. The rear spoiler allow the car to improve significantly the downforce. So the rear downforce has been increased by 38% and allow overall to achieve plus 8% of downforce improvement compared to the Urus. And we have also introduced air vents in this car that we can see in the front, spoiler in the bonnet, and these are not only, let me say, helping to make the car looks more sporty, but is also very important in order to improve the cooling system and to reduce the drag.
那在空气力学上面 ，Lamborghini 也是日以继夜的不断的研发去改进，所以在 Urus Performante 上，重点强调在它的后尾翼能够帮助车子后车身的下力增加了将近38% 之多。那同时，大家可以注意到，在车头的引擎盖全新的进气孔以及下方的这个车前保的气帘，它除了帮助车子有着更运动、更热血的一个外观以外，它也能够协助车子减少它的空气阻力，让它车子整体的空气力学的效率增加了10%之多。
Last but not least, the interior. You will have the chance later when we will open up the car to see also how the interior has been revised. We have launched a dedicated trim for the Urus Performante, and we have improved and increased the usage of Alcantara, which is not only helping to reduce the body weight of the car, but also to give a more sporty feeling to the driver when he's inside in the car.
当然，在内装上 ，Lamborghini 也是大量的在 Urus Performante 上面使用了麂皮 Alcantara 的材质。除了我们前面所讲到的大幅减少它的重量，材料的重量相对于真皮来说，达到轻量化的效果以外，麂皮的材质也提供了车主更加热血、运动、竞技的一个空间氛围跟驾驶感受。
So now, before we have the chance to see closely the car, I would like to show you the last video.
We're bar racers. Status quo. We racer. Comfort zone escapers. Pressure embracers.